Okay.
Okay. So.
I'm gonna help you guys.
Okay.
Scoot over, scoot over, scoot over.
We need something to mix with that. You forgot about that.
Oh.
Did I tell them yet?
Go ahead.
Okay. Hey guys, this is our first video, right?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back. No, Nikki, don't say that because it's our first video. Hey, it's our first video. We're making slime. Hold on.
Yes.
We're making slime. We have.
No, I'm going to the room. Go.
We have Gain detergent. Can I see it there?
Yes.
We have Gain detergent and 3 glitter glues, which is green, red, and pink.
Wait, no, Matthew. Go.
And we have something to mix in and something to mix with.
Okay, so we're just making basic slime. That's what we're doing. We have our solo cups, just for mixing.
Mixing in and to mix with is just some forks.
Baby, can't get in the video, baby.
Baby brother.
Gotta stay out of the video. Yeah.
He's our baby brother.
Come on, stay out of the video, buddy. Go back to the room. Come on.
Sorry, guys. He's our baby brother. He loves to be here with us.
Come on. Go.
So,
Dad, why are
Okay.
you holding this food?
So we just have just
Forks. I don't like forks.
2 forks here to mix the product.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just have basic Elmer's glue. Any Elmer's glue would work. We always get Elmer's glue, and it doesn't matter whether it's white or glitter. Doesn't matter.
Or clear, any of that.
Any of that stuff works. Okay, what color would you like, Macy?
Red.
Oh, this is Macy, and this is Maya, and I'm Mark.
And this is Dad, which is /Mark.
I'm Macy
I want some
Martinez.
pink. Macy Martinez, Maya Martinez.
Dad
Mark Martinez.
Mark Martinez.
Okay, which one would you like? You want pink?
You want green?
No, there's only 2 cups for you guys. I'm not gonna make me one.
Oh, okay.
So what you do
Did you fit it in?
You have to pour it in there.
is you. We're just gonna take it all out. Boom.
Okay, we're gonna take that all out.
You know, we're only gonna use about half. Half is perfect.
Yeah.
Since this is already half because we used it before, she's gonna use all of it.
Okay.
Tell me when it's.
So we pour it in, and then we check it.
Yeah, we gotta check it.
That's about half. A little bit more than half actually. So that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
So about half of one of these regular containers is perfect.
Squeeze it good and then shake it like this. Make sure all that comes out and then squeeze it again. And we're using regular Gain Honda.
Yes.
Laundry detergent. Just find it out in the store.
Okay, we use Gain laundry detergent because that's what we had in the laundry room.
And it actually works.
So,
And Tide works too. I used Tide before.
you don't need a lot.
Yeah, just a little bit will work.
And this is already too much. I just do that just to know how much we have. Because we're gonna just put little by little throughout the entire process.
If you put too much, it will turn very chunky and it will be hard, rough, like putty. And
Okay.
you don't want putty.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Let me see
Put
how
the
much you
lid
got.
back in it.
Okay, so go back to the room, buddy. This is what it looks like. Got the pink right here. You got the red right here.
What is mine?
Yours is red.
Mine's
Yours is
pink.
pink. So what I start out doing is I pour just a little bit, maybe about. Let's get a spoon.
Can I mix mine already?
No, not yet, not yet.
It smells like glue.
Oh.
Duh. Please, like all of this.
Go.
I need to use some of this. Is that all?
Go.
Still got more in my blue bottle.
Okay, this is a regular tablespoon.
That's good. And you're just gonna get
For half a container of glue, we're gonna go with just 1 tablespoon to start out. That's probably gonna be really, really good for now. Go ahead, mix yours with the fork.
the fork. Let Dad put some in yours. Oh, it's getting chunky.
Boom. And from here on, you're just gonna keep mixing. It's gonna be real nasty and slimy, real slimy. And it's gonna be just kind of
Thick. See?
sure?
Thick.
Yeah.
Nice and thick.
It's gonna be like chunks of it. It's not even gonna be that good. But the process is you gotta keep mixing all around.
When it comes off the side like this, that means
Show
it's
them.
working. I'll go up there so they can see it better.
Go. Come on.
So guys, if y'all mix this
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
I'll
That's
mix it.
gonna be edited out. Go.
like that,
Go. Go, buddy.
and that's gonna be edited out. See guys, it's very chunky.
They can see it. Go. Hell yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it good.
Oh, mine's getting really good. You gotta mix it hard though. Mine's like purplish now.
Yeah, that's what milk it turns like. That's cool. Look at mine.
Go.
Mine's turning like pink. You see?
Whoa!
You should have got glow in the dark.
Okay. So as you mix,
You can add one.
it will start to get a little bit like slime. The texture will get as real slime is in the end process. But it will also be sticky.
So you need that.
It will stick to the sides of your cup or whatever container you're using. So when it starts to get sticky, once you're mixing it and the lumps start to go away and it starts to get sticky, then
You add some more activator.
just add a little bit of, but what I do is I don't get another spoonful because that's too much. I just dip the spoon in there and then wipe and then let it drip off and then mix it. Stick the spoon in there, let it drip off, and then mix it. Go ahead, that's enough.
And you do
Same
that.
here. Stick the spoon in there, let it drip off, and then mix it. Because it only requires little, very little.
They don't
Uh-oh.
take that much. Oh, that's
After the first spoon, then it just requires just adding a little at a time.
Mine's like turning like a pinkish.
Mine's turning purplish.
Mine's turning pink.
The reason why they're turning colors is because the laundry detergent we're using is green.
Yeah.
So they're going to turn a little bit different color.
Y'all can use like contact eye solution and baking soda and all that, but we're just using laundry detergent.
Baking soda.
People use borax, but borax can burn your fingers sometimes.
Yeah.
We don't use borax
Why?
because it can burn you.
It'll burn you and this time will burn you.
Yeah.
So dip it,
Put it in there.
put it in there. Go ahead.
That's a little bit sticky.
Just a little bit, very little.
Baby's still over here.
Come
Matthew.
on.
He's always coming in here.
Yeah, because he's missing us.
Come on, Matthew, go. Go with Dad. It's so thick, you have to mix very hard.
No, look at mine.
Touch
Stop
it.
it.
It's very sticky though. But